So last time we are discussing we have discussed the how to create the update set, how to move the update set, how to uh, see how to back out, how to revert the changes, how to back out, and everything was covered into that. Correct. So couple of points are still remaining. So I would like to cover those two so that we can conclude this session for the update set, and then after we will go further. Correct. So I hope everyone can see my screen. If no, okay. So I hope everyone can see. Okay, I'll take it as a yes. So here the update set. Correct. So we will go into the update set. So I was last time I was talking about sometimes your the record has been updated, and uh, sometimes you have to revert the changes or compare the changes immediately without getting into the update set. We can do so. Okay, how? I'll tell you. We can go on the incident. Sorry, incident. Okay, just open the record. Correct. It's a quick review, kind of thing, or sometimes we have to revert the changes into the previous version. Blah blah. Many conditions are there. Correct. Just I'm giving the uh, quick revert the changes. Correct. So for example, uh, okay. Now let's get into the. Now you can see the versions. Correct. So whatever the changes I will make. Okay. Let's say. Okay. Sorry, I haven't made any changes. So it's a business rule. So it's a server side scripting. So that kind of thing are there. Just I'll remove the one space, I'll update it, and it will be going to capture into the default update set because I haven't created any update set and it's selected the default, correct? So now you can see it's showing twice over there, correct? It's the previous one and it's right away, correct? So if I'll make other changes, like let's say, correct? You can imagine it's capturing into the update set or default also it would be fine, correct? So I made the mistake over there. If you see, I removed some code and piece of code and everything is not working correctly, correct? You can see another version has been created. If you see the timing wise, you can compare. Now, if I revert it, these changes, correct? Whether I will go over there and see the compare the update sets, how to compare it, we can go over there. It's here you can see compare. We can go via this. So I'm comparing the whole the changes over here, correct? So we will go over the everything. You can see it's scraped. Everything is one place. So if I'm got it what the changes is missing over there, I can revert that whole changes, or I can merge these two update set in one update set. Correct. So this is the one point. Otherwise, if you feel that I made the changes and immediately I need to revert it, so you are feel free to do so. How? I'll go over there. Just see that this is 16 number. There is a mistake, correct? And this is a 14 number. I remove the column, correct? Now see how it will work. I'll go over there. The previous version. Revert the this version, correct? I'll click on this option. Ah, sorry. I click on double time. That's why it's up here. Just hold it. Revert, revert. Yes. So revert. Are you sure you want to revert the to this version? Okay. Now see these two. Without any making changes, without any no, I haven't did any extra efforts. Within a second, within a minute, I completed. Now you can see it gone. It's automatically reverted to the previous version. If someone has utilized the windows, correct, so there is a time frame or some time duration is there, correct, under the control where you can revert your when you're getting some kind of issue on your laptop, some stuck over there, or some other things are you feeling that there is some issue on the uh, current due to some corrupt file, due to some other thing, so you can revert on the point of time when it was backup, your whole backup was done. Correct. So the same way it's also doing, but where that the this call tab or related list will be there. Correct. So versions, if versions is available, so it's easily just go over there, right click, see the revert to this version, done, and it's showing that when it where it got reverted, correct, so it's showing here, correct, that record is also shown, correct. This is the quick tips, no, you guys can utilize during when you're the uh upcoming sessions. So if anything happened, do not worry, just revert it on this channel, it's done. Do not, and these changes should not captured, no, this kind of changes should not capture in your update set. First of all, like I reverted, I made the changes, still I'm capturing those things into the application. It won't, correct? Just I'm showing the way, no, where I don't have to go under this, I don't have to go under that, I don't have to go no other way around. I just saw that, yeah, this I made the mistake over there. Just I go over there and revert the changes. That's done. Correct? Pretty much cool. Now merge the update sets. Okay. There's two options. You can check it out that too. Let's say no you are working two different parallel things, correct. So let's say I have an incident form, I have to create the form, as well as your you got the some requirement where it says some business rule you have to write down, or some scripting part you are doing. So might be there is a possibility two different tasks has been given on two different times. So you feel sometimes people say no, you have to create the update set for this task separately and for that task separately, and then later on you can merge it, or two different people are working on two different uh, update sets. So let's say I'm working on to configure the form, and someone is working on the scripting, correct. So two different update sets, but we feel that no, it's a 14 update sets for there for the same incident form related. Now I have to uh, how I will move it. First, we can create the batching. Second, we can merge the all update set into one place. Merging with, I feel, and as per my knowledge, as per my experience, it would be great. No, you have a limited edition, I would say. So it's not no 50 update sets you are merging. So it's not desperate. It's not. It's very complex over there. Correct. So you are merging everything in one place. Might be there is some missing or something happened, correct? Because it's a system. We cannot guarantee everything is working at a time. Even if there is a monitoring into the their support portal where you have to watch it out everything it's working or not. If anything is getting down, so you have to take watch it out those things, correct? So I'll tell you about the support portal and everything later on. Just write down that topics if you require. You just remind it at the end of the whenever I'll I'll getting into the support side or some other side, so I'll tell you. The support portal. Write down this topic and just ask me later on. Okay. So there is a possibility some migration happened, like some changes happening into the service now instance. So they will say like, no, there is a downtime. Downtime means like, no, your system will not going to perform any action, or might be there is a some point of time going to be you everyone not able to log in, including admins also, correct? So there is a data migration, there is a server migration, there is anything they are doing like no update bulk over there. So it will be happen, and at that time in support portal you can watch it out how many like no the minutes or seconds or like no days my instance was not available. So that charge will be also taken, like these charges and these downtime will be the calculated on the side of the service now, correct? As per the agreement, but I'm giving the idea that this is also included on their what we can say their agreement within the with the clients, and it's depend on how the client is there and how they communicated with service now, correct? So this is the one part. Now I'm merging the two updates set. Like I have created one update set like way back, and now I just after 2 months, 3 months, I'm getting the another update set. What I will do, correct? There is some possibility you have created some script and everything. It wasn't there, and it was not cloned by the other side, correct? So what I will do, correct? On that sense, we can utilize the two updates. Like two or more than two, whatever the update set you require to merge it, you can do so. Okay. Okay. So there is a merge update set. This, this, correct. It's, okay. I have to filter out.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Yes, Gaurav, your voice is breaking.
Still it's breaking.
No, no, now it is good.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, I was on silent. That's why you feel that I. Yeah, just we have what we have to do. We have to filter those values which need to be merged. It's little bit a different way of merging. There's no select boxes there, correct? So you have to, you have to put that filter via this. I did it online because I have only, I know that what needs to be taken under consideration. Just I click on this and it's showing only those updates, correct? So what I'm trying to say, I just filter out those things, correct? You can see in progress was there. I'll just put it into the it, filter out. Now these are the things, correct? Now I need to filter those updates which need to be merged. Correct? Let's say I am assuming the all update sets. It's a different scope of application, but I'm saying all update sets. Whatever is after filtering those options which are completed, if those all update set, I need to merge. You're getting my point. So now merge. Correct? Merge. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Some issues. Okay. Why? Anyone can guess it. Why? Okay, no one guesses. That would be fine. So let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Now, whatever the changes, like we have updated three different update set in one update set. So it will show over here. Whatever we have created two different update sets, you can see these three update sets has been taken in one update set. That's it. You're getting my point, or any confusion is there? Okay, I will take it as a no. That's cool. So you now you are aware about the how to merge the update set, correct? You understood the utilization of update set. You understood how to move the update set manually from one instance to another. Recall, just recalling the options: retrieve the update set, export, import. These are the options, correct? So how to retrieve and how to update, correct? So these all four options, and via that you can move the update set manually. Okay. Now move on to the what else we have in our topic. You can check it out there too. Update for and okay, yeah, there is okay. So we will cover it another part. Whatever I'm explaining, whatever the topic we are completing. So these are the essential. You are going through every organization. It's not like no, you have just this session has been given and it's completed. Whatever the session, upcoming sessions or you have completed, those sessions are practically you have to always be intact with that, correct? So you cannot, if you feel that after some time it will be gone, no, there is no way. Automation would be there, but these are the base for service now. Okay. So carefully, like no, you have to utilize it, you have to learn it, you have to understood every points, like no, what we have to complete it, when we have to do it, when we have to create the updates it. Lots of like no, parallelly the amalgamation of lots of things would be there, correct? So you have to segregate it and you have to understood like no, this is the concept, core concept, correct? The core concept is whatever the things are there into the one instance, I need to move into the another. Now, whatever the hurdles, whatever the issues, whatever the problem would be there, I have to resolve it. That is the second primary point, correct? Then third, how to tackle down, like, no, if I have large things and how to make it those things, then we have to use the merge update set. Now, another, when we are working into three different teams and we are like no parallelly we are intact with the one update set. So how we will go over there? So there is a batch update set, correct? So I'll just take it out that one of the update sets, correct? Let me take out that link so it will be helpful for you guys, because if I'll create it and then I share, then it will be take lots of time, correct? I'll just take it out that too, so it will be really helpful for you guys, correct? I'll share with you after completing this session. Okay, so allow me 1 minute. Okay, here we go. I think this one. This is the one of the example, I would say, correct? So how to utilize it, the batch updates it. Just allow me 1 minute. I'm just missing somewhere. Service not off. Watching. Okay. I think I missed it out. See, I'm also looking into the same area. because these are the base thing, correct? So we have to watch it out. Here we go, correct? So you guys can see. Okay, so this is the batch approach. Like, no, when you have a uh, batch moving the like no, the update set in a batch. So lots of update sets are there. How I will move those update set, how we will interact with one to two, like no 1 2 3. So how we will do so, correct? So this is the batch approach. The first update set this, then this, correct? So you can see this is the two branches and branch having the left, right, and like again it's move on. Then this one having two branches. So the parent will be one. Okay, just I show you the another thing into this. So how they are like no intact. Whatever the like no approach, the hierarchies which shows there. You can see default left it. After that update set one, there is no parent. Correct. Now update set 1.1. Update set 1. Update set 1.1.1. Then update set 1.1. Correct. Again, the utilization of parent. How you are utilization. Correct. Let me show you the concept. Then you guys will be clear enough. So what is the parent for like no update set 1.1 and update set 1.2? You will say like no update set 1. Okay, same we will follow and I'll show you how. Okay, so we are checking out these two. Okay, okay, we will go update set 1.1. Correct. Again we will go into the sorry 1. Sorry, it's my apology. So 1 I have created. This is the parent one, topmost. Remember. Now again we have created the update set 1.1, the second label. Correct. So I'll just show you the second label object. Now the first label I have created. Now these two, how they are intact with the one place. Correct. So let's see 1.1. Now here I'll add it update set 1. Correct. Now it again became the, so now and so on, like no whatever the hierarchy is there, we have to create it. Correct. Same like no for other another update set 1.2. So update set 1.2. Again third label whatever things are there. So again we need to create 1.1. So again for this, what will be the parent one? This. Got it? It should not be this, it should be this. You're getting my point? So this is the way like no we can create the batch update set. Correct? Is it clear or any confusion is there?
Got it, Gaurav.
Huh? Hello?
Got it. Yes,
Okay.
got it.
Okay. Okay. That would be fantastic. Okay. So this is the one approach, correct? So this is also, let's say I have, first I will select any update set. Okay, let's say one I've selected. Now I'm what I submit. Okay, I'll just go over there and open it and let's see. Okay, record is created, new record. Sorry, I'll tell you another point. Okay. Say, God. What I have named it, I've just moved it out. This one. Given the test. Okay. Check it out that too. You can see only when I created the fresh record, it captured, but when I updated that record, it won't. You're getting my point? So the sys properties, which are like no, if you created any record into it, so it will be captured. But if you do any changes or such kind of thing, it won't. Is it clear? Let me do one thing more. I'll just do the other side so we can watch it out. That I'll just save it. Okay. So we will take out this version. Correct? This was not there. I just added it. Correct? Come on. Let's say I have taken this. Correct? So I changed out the name. So it has been captured. Only two records has been captured. First is like no when I created this record. Second, when I have updated this one. Correct? So the two things has been captured. Okay, now the another point, the list records. Let's say any record I have to some changes or something like no some kind of data I need to migrate from one point to another. Correct? One area to another or one thing to another. Correct? So what should be there? Correct? What how we can move it? Because as per the standard, we cannot move the update set. Those are like no records. Records could not be moved from one place to another. Correct? Okay. Okay. So I'll check it out that too. So let me create the let's say incident. Oh, sorry. Go getting into this list. Click on here. Export the XML. Correct? Yeah, sorry. Import. Exporting XML. Correct? So I'll export it the same record into the XML because if you recall it to your memory or refresh your memory, at the starting I mentioned the whatever the updates it captured into its record, so it should be in XML format, correct? So I taken out this data because the record will be not saved into the update set, correct? So whatever the record, if I made any changes, so it won't capture. That's it. Only the property and form layout, whatever I have made the changes, correct? The form layout and the properties which I have created. Only two records have been captured here, correct? So I'll go over here. Now I need to move this data from because always remember the record should not captured into the update set. The first like the thing over there. If anyone's saying that it should be captured or not, then it won't. It not correct. Many other exceptional, now they have moved into the ultra version, so there would be some exceptional things would be there, correct. So might be they have changed some way of presentation or way of some base level changes, but as per the my understanding, which my knowledge, I saw that the updates, it won't allow, correct. But in future it might be changed, correct. So many things got changed, so I'm just showing the, sorry, what I'm trying to show you, one the major part, because less. Okay, okay, I'll just show you. I think this one, yeah. So stats, if you could not understand, because we cannot understand which version we are working right now, correct. So it's a small thing that always remember. We cannot watch it while watching out this all the things. We cannot understand which version we are. So you can see under this, this is the stats, correct. So just check it out. If you'll go over there, you can see the details, the cluster, which cluster is connected, and this is the build name. If you see that, it's Utah, correct. So we can watch it from there, and we can other details are there. I don't want to getting into those details. It's better to just try to understand. This is only for the which version we are working on it, correct. So this is a small thing, and we understood how to move the updates, the record type of data into the one to another instance. So this is the one of the part, correct. Any question till now here? I'll take it as no. So I'll give you some scenarios, and you can try at your end. So first you need to the scenario is you have to capture the some changes into the update set, correct? Two different update set. You have to create the three different update set. The first update set, it will capture the incident, you created any new field, or if you don't know the new field, just change the name of that field. Okay, so those things would be there, correct. So there is, I'll just show you. I'll tell you the one point here, so you will get the idea. So I'll change it out the name, the configure the label, correct. And there is another option. If you want to remember, this is the one option, form layout, form design. Whatever the option you will choose, just getting into the another side. Okay. So you have to getting into the other parts, and just to take it any field, just drop it here. Okay. So it will be automatically captured. Oh, just only it's not captured over there. Oh, again. Why it's not appearing? The field type is there, audio. Okay, I'll take it out that too. Okay, I'll change the default view. Let's try that too. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can change it out to default view that I have added that too. Okay, and this will be going to be captured, and just you saved it. So automatically that will be captured. How I traverse it, configure to form design, and then again that thing appear, and just I choosing the form field. It's a drag and drop. Easily you can drag it, drop it over there, correct. Always remember, I have on another view, so that's why it's creating the issue. So once I because currently I'm the different application, correct. Currently I'm following the into the global application, correct. That's why it's creating the issue, correct. So I change the view, and it's follow the easy way of creating the things, correct. So first you need to create one update set, capture some data. You have to export it, import it, like the manual process. You need to follow it, correct? The automated flow would be there. I'll show you that too. I just missed it out that. Apologies. Update source. I'll just give you because it's once you will be on real time, then it will be easy to understand, correct? Or if I'll see that someone has provided me their instance, let's say it's a service instance, correct? And I'll give the service instance. Would I get the service instance link? Service, can you share with me if you do have? Okay, let me check it out that too. Service instance. I'm just missing out that too. Let me try it. Let me try it. Uh, okay. Anyone can provide their instance detail. Let me check it out on my WhatsApp. So if I'll get it, then I can do it immediately. Okay. Service, can you give your instance detail? Your instance name is?
I think service is not on the call.
Oh, okay. Can you share your instance detail, Dev? Anyone can provide. I don't mind it. Let's say 175030. Okay. Service-now.com. Okay. How we can create the connection, because I don't have anyone instance, just I'm taking mine. Okay. The password would be this. Okay, let's just take it out. This. Where is the password? When is the password? Correct. I'll just checking out that too.